India today recorded 308 deaths related to the coronavirus disease, 35 in the last 24 hours and 620 new COVID-19 cases, taking the tally across the country to 9,152. According to the Union Health Ministry data. The Health Ministry's website showed at 8 am there were 7,987 active cases, 857 people were cured, discharged or had migrated 2 days before the national lockdown is about to end as per a media report. India's worst hit state Maharashtra has 2,351 coronavirus cases, including 217 people who have been cured and 149 fatalities as of Monday. The state had crossed 1,000 cases just last Tuesday, but the past 9 days reported more than 100 per day, including 3 days that saw more than 200 cases. In the national capital of Delhi, there have been 1,205 coronavirus disease cases, and out of which 24 people have died and 27 have been discharged from hospitals. Tamil Nadu is on the second spot with 1,136 COVID-19 cases. There have been 11 deaths in the southern state and 50 people have recovered. The novel coronavirus has claimed at least 1,12,510 lives across the world, with the United States being the hardest hit country, according to news agency AFP. The US has reported over 21,000 casualties from COVID-19 and 5,46,874 infections. However, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the top infectious disease expert in the US, says the economy in parts of the country could be allowed to reopen as early as next month. Meanwhile, the UK became the fourth European country after Italy, Spain and France to reach the grim milestone of 10,000 deaths from COVID-19. Meanwhile, Nagaland recorded its first case of COVID-19 with a patient admitted in Assam's Guwahati testing positive for the coronavirus on Sunday. Assam's Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma tweeted late on Sunday night that a patient who was referred to Guwahati from a private hospital in Dimapur in Nagaland was found positive. Another person from DHUBRI district in Assam has been tested COVID-19 positive on Monday. State Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma shared the news on Twitter early Monday morning. This is the second positive case that has been reported from the northeast in the last 24 hours. The development has been reported a day after Nagaland reported its first case of the COVID-19 on Sunday. Manipur and Tripura have reported 2 cases each, while Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh have reported 1 case each. Meghalaya and Sikkim are the only states from the northeast which are yet to report a single case of the COVID-19. Over 30,000 people, including students from Manipur, are still stranded in several parts of India due to the COVID-19 lockdown. A group of nursing students from Andhra Pradesh have sought assistance from the state government. They have urged the state chief minister Nongthombam Biren to help them. Sources said these nursing students are facing shortage of food and other facilities. A man was mysteriously found dead this morning near Haizang Bridge of MOREH of Technopole district. The deceased has been identified as Thangjam Dipak, aged 24 years, from MOREH Kuno Lekai, Ward No. 9. Reports said a scooter belonging to the deceased was also found near the body. Police have started an investigation into the incident. China's northeast Heilongjiang province, which borders Russia, has become the new battleground against the coronavirus as authorities reported the highest number of new daily cases in nearly 6 weeks, driven by infected travelers from overseas. As per a media report, a total of 108 new coronavirus cases were reported in mainland China. As per a media report, a total of 108 new coronavirus cases were reported in mainland China last Sunday, up from 99 a day earlier and marking the highest number of cases since 143 infections were reported on March 5th. China fears a rise in imported cases could spark a second wave of COVID-19 and push the country back into a state of near paralysis. Independent UN human rights experts have voiced grave concern over the killing and displacement of civilians in northwest Myanmar due to the intensifying conflict between the military and Arakan army rebels, amid an information blackout in some parts of Rakhine and Chin states. According to media reports, civilians, including children, continue to bear the brunt of the escalating conflict. The experts said since the beginning of February, the Myanmar government had imposed restrictions including a 3-month suspension of mobile internet services in Muslim-majority Rakhine state and in Chin state. Further, credible reports showed that fighting and possible use of heavy weapons have multiplied near ethnic Rakhine and Rohingya villages. On the other hand, civilians continue to experience several difficulties in moving around the conflict-affected area, particularly for those in need of assistance. Meanwhile, heavy restrictions on humanitarian access in Rakhine state remain. Access for the media and human rights monitors is extremely limited.